Howdy y'all, welcome to the Hoosier Hillbilly. On today's video, I know you've all been on pins and needles waiting to find out. Y'all know what I'm talking about when it comes to rebuilding an engine, and y'all know what I'm talking about when setting a distributor in. I told you all about how to do that, to put it in time. Also had to put new plug wires on, and did I put them all in the right place? Well, we're fixing to find out. Now, the first thing I'm going to do, I've got the coil unplugged, so I'm going to crank it over just for a little bit. So get the oil pressure up, fuel pressure up and all that, and then we'll hook the coil wire up and we'll see if she'll start. Now right out of the gate she may not run real good. I might have to adjust the timing a little bit, and it may backfire or something. Depends on how close I got it. So without further ado, let's see what she'll do. Okay, that should be good enough right there to get the oil pressure flowing, because we already ran that pump. It's been sitting a little bit, so I wanted to do that first. All right, now we're going to find out if she runs. Well, there you go. It does run. It sounds a little laggy like it sounds to myself. Just this distributor a little bit. That sounds pretty good right there. Might be smoking a little bit. Yeah, she's puffing out a little bit of smoke, but I expect that right off the back with all the oils that I had in there when I was sending it on the ring and all that stuff. Got burned that stuff off. So I'm going to let it run for a little while and burn all that stuff off, and let it get up to full temperature. Let it work, get the thermostat open, work out any air pockets out of the cooling system. And I'll get my hands on the timing light, set the distributor timing so exactly what it's supposed to be. And my battery don't seem like it's, I have to put the battery further on to get it to do anything, so I don't know whether it's going to be good or not. It's set for a while, so I'll have to get it back. So until next time, guys, this is the Hoosier Hillbilly. Y'all take care. I appreciate it. She runs.